Wow, very cool Martin Kawasaki Z1000 came in today. What a beautiful bike. Look at this. Never seen one as beautiful as this one. Completely original. It's paintwork is really nice. Look. Engine is completely rebuilt with new pistons, and the engine has 110 HP now, so it's very fast. I really like this bike. The carbs are new. Everything is done. Original Martin exhaust. And also original wheels. Where is it? You can see it here, Martin. Brembo. Very cool bike. Next video will be that we start up the bike, so you can hear it. Yeah, I really love it. Would fit perfectly in my private collection. Maybe it ends up on the first floor. The blinkers are not original, but it's for the inspection in Belgium. It was necessary to put them on. You can easily take them off. Very cool bike. So if you're interested in this bike, don't hesitate to contact me. I can make detailed pictures, the video and price. Ship worldwide. And well, looking forward to start up this bike. So thank you for following me, looking at the video, and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, vintagemotorcycles.nl. Thank you, bye bye.